Happy Sunday, everyone! Happy Mother's Day sa lahat ng mga mommies. Raven is with me. Nag-check kami ng mailbox kasi meron akong hinihintay. Kaya lang walang laman yung mailbox ngayon. Na araw-araw ko kasi yung pag-check. And kahapon nag-check na nga rin ako. So, ngayon is Sunday. I don't think merong darating na mail. Ew! There's a dog, pupu dog.
Oh?
Yeah. Wala naman kaming ganap ngayong Mother's Day kasi may pasok si Mr. Hindi kami makakagala. Siguro late celebration kami. Bumili lang kami ng gongcha kasi nag-crave ulit ako ng gongcha or ng milk tea. Tapos sumaglit sa Costco. And then, yun lang. Balik na kagad kami. Tawid na kami ni Raven. Mamaya, tusan ko si kuya. Pag sinipag siya, pabilin ko na lang ng burger siguro. Depende kung gusto niyang bumili. Para at least meron kaming food. Kasi hindi ako nagluto ngayon eh. Bumaba na ako guys dito sa basement kasi ang init na naman. Pero yung init. Yung alam mo parang singaw na mainit. Ay, bakit? Hindi sinarado ni ate. Naku kay. Wait lang. May langaw pang pumasok. Ay. Tatapon ako ng tapon ako ng recycle. Hindi nasara ni ate. Ito na ako dadaan. Ito yung project na ginagawa ng in-laws ko dito. Lagyan nila ng sand. Yan, yung sand, puro sand. Yun lang, maputik guys kapag umulan. Tulad kagabi. Umulan tapos may thunderstorm. Yun, ang putik nung bintana. Talsik-talsik ng ulan. Ayan o. Hindi pala dapat ako dumaan dito. Ayan o, may talsik-talsik. Ay, tapos ito, lagyan nila ng bato. Pero konti lang ito eh. Hindi pa umabot dun. Tapong ko muna to sa recycle. Maganda yung weather. Hindi siya malamig. Pero mainit naman yung singaw niya. Ito sa blue. Dito tayo sa blue. Tatlo yung dito eh. Green, blue, at saka black. So ilagay ko lang. Ibubuhos ko lang to dito kasi ikip ko tong box pa. Para meron akong paglalagyan dun sa loob ng bahay. Yan. Ari ko. Yun lang. Pag mainit, malamok. Lalakit pa naman ng malamok. Balik na ako dun sa sa baba. Dun ako dadaan. Dumikit ba yung hindi naman dumikit yung buhangin. Pag ko na lang. Yan o. Meron ding bato dito. Yeah. Wow, it's big pala. I thought it's small. May gift daw si Ate Ravy for me.
Me too.
Me too. Why are you a mother? Happy Mother's Day. No, Mommy will check first.
That's mine.
Wait.
Come here,
That's mine.
Wait. Oh, wait lang. Mommy will check
I
first.
have something for you.
From Ravy to Mommy Ann.
Ay, stop.
No.
Bad yun, bad yun. No, bad yun.
No away.
Sorry, ate.
Is this me? And then what is this? Oh, a flower. But where is Ate Ravy here?
It's for Mother's Day.
No, it's okay, Raven. It's okay, love Raven. Thank you, Ate. You have another one? I don't know. We share. There's more? I see. Wow! How did you do this?
Madame Babshido laminated.
Maman? What is maman?
Mama, it's like mom.
With N? Is it really with N?
I love you, mom, in French is Je t'aime, mama.
Oh, silent N. Silent N. Saan ako yan?
Sorry na kay Kelvin.
What is that?
Your birthday nung anak na nung nakarang linggo.
I don't know. Okay, I don't have it.
Oh, sorry na.
So this one is in French. Kasi yung school ni ate is French school.
Sorry na.
Kaya meron siyang English dito. Meron ding
Why was
French word.
Why was I transferred to a French school?
Yeah. Thank you, ate.
I'm so sorry.
Why was I transferred into
Hindi mo. Wow, look.
a French?
Wow.
Why do you keep stealing everything I have? No.
No, it's okay na.
Hold mo na lang ito.
Sige na.
Candy.
Kain sila ng lumpia. Tapos, kami ay walkbox. What? That's okay. Mamaya ka-clean up ni mama yan. Yan. So, ito naman ang sa amin. Walkbox. Kaya lang, dapat ano to eh. Rice eh. Hindi noodles. So, ito na ang aming Mother's Day. Mother's Day food. Kasi hindi na rin ako bumili kanina. Lumalis kami kasi nga, pasok naman din si Ivor. So, ito na lang ang aming dinner. Hello everyone! Mother's Day treat from work, guys. From a Canadian brew house. So, chicken wrap, yum fries, and then dumplings. Tapos ito, peanut sauce. Happy Mother's Day!
Happy Mother's Day.